Hi guys, this is Peace Adeze. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to cook pasta. Healthy, yummy pasta. Yeah! I'm going to cook this pasta with some of your 5 a day, tuna, and pasta sauce. So stay tuned. Let's get started. For the ingredients, you need pasta sauce, tuna, sweet corn, seasoning cubes, salt to taste, carrot, onion, scotch bonnet, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and vegetable oil. Chop the onion, carrot, peppers, and scotch bonnet. Open the sweet corn and tuna with your opener. Pour some water in a pot, bring to boil, add salt and add vegetable oil or olive oil. This stops the pasta from sticking together. Add the pasta, stir and allow to boil. Cook for 10 minutes and drain. To make the sauce, pour little oil in a pot. The tuna contains oil, so you don't need much oil. Preheat the oil, add the chopped onion, stir and add scotch bonnet. Add the pasta sauce and stir. After a while, you add the tuna chunks. Stir for about 5 to 8 minutes and add the carrot. Stir and add the green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Add seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Add sweet corn and stir. Add the pasta and mix. Make sure you mix properly. Cover about 2 minutes and the pasta is done and ready to be served. Look at that healthy, good looking plate of pasta. It smells good, it looks good, and you need to give this a trial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and leave your comments in the comment section. Feel free to ask me questions and I'll answer. Remember to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.